just a quick check-in. I started working on my weekly, you don't want to see that, on my weekly blessing tour, home blessing tour this morning, and ran out of time because I had a dentist appointment, and then I wanted to go on a walk right afterwards since I was already out. And that ate up like 2-3 hours. So, you know, I'm just getting it done in chunks, and it's gonna happen today, and that's gonna be that. So the dusting took maybe a few minutes longer than 10 minutes. Sweeping was pretty fast. I could probably do it quicker next time. The whole point of it is to move quickly, and you don't need to move things. That's what the zone cleaning is for, is to dust under everything. The weekly home blessing tour is just to dust and sweep the walkways, just so it's not gross all the time. And that took me maybe 10 minutes, maybe just a tad bit longer. So, all right, I'm gonna move on with the rest of the chores, hopefully get them done really quick, and I'll see y'all later. Oh, one more thing I wanted to add. I love that broom, but these hardwood floors, it just feels like such a massive space downstairs. I ordered a, what is it called? A dust mop, like the long brooms that are like cotton on the bottom. I don't know what it's made of, but I figure that will be a lot easier since it's a wider area that it's picking up. And I feel like, because we have a cat and my hair sheds a lot, so there's a lot of that crap all over the floor. It drives me crazy. And brooms don't always pick that stuff up. The dust particles kind of fly everywhere when you're trying to sweep them up, and that's really annoying. So I hope the dust broom works. I'm really excited for it. So vacuuming took me like 6 to 7 minutes because it's just the walkways. I'm not doing much of the bedrooms. That is for zone cleaning. So, I mean, we have carpet all upstairs, but the walkways aren't very big. So that took way less time than I thought it would. Now let's move on to the next one. Here's the point in the hour that I just don't want to do anymore. It's not even that much, but I'm sweating, and it's only like 3 more things, so I just need to power through and get it done. That way I don't have to worry about it another day, because another day calls for more chores. All right, let's do this. I need to wipe down all the mirrors and doors, which isn't that many, so let's do it. did everything. I'm so proud of myself. So, I mean, I'm always revising this thing, so I changed polish mirrors and doors to mirrors and doors spots because that's really what I should be doing. Instead of wiping the whole mirror, I just need to wipe away the little spots here and there so it doesn't take me as long. And then I grabbed all the trash from upstairs, and there was only a couple downstairs, and then one had already been emptied, so that was it. That did not take as long as I thought it would, and I kind of thought of it as like an exercise and a race against the clock, so I think that definitely helps just get it done a lot quicker if you're not dragging your feet and you just kind of roll with it and you go, 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 and then it's done, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I'm a hot, sweaty mess, but that's okay. What else is new? Join me next time. I don't know what we're doing next time, but it's going to be a surprise and it's going to be awesome. So I will see you then. Bye. Oh, hey YouTube. It's me again. So I wanted to make another clean with me video, but wanted to let you know that I have updated my cleaning list. I know, it's very exciting. I will not tell you how many days it took me to complete this because I just wanted it to be perfect right out of the gate, and of course it's not, but it's very detailed, and I am the kind of person who needs the details in order to stay on track. So just a tip for you guys. Okay. So the last video I made that you saw, I was cleaning the kitchen. That was my zone 1. That was quite a few weeks ago, and I have not done any more zone cleaning because I didn't put it on a schedule, and I enjoy cleaning, but it's just one of those things where, you know, it's not the most exciting thing, and the list is kind of overwhelming, so I just kept putting it off. But we're gonna get back on track. So I have gotten onto FlyLady.com, or is it .net? I'm not sure. And just kind of looked at what she does and did it myself and made it work for my life. Here I've got a morning and night routine, and then down there is my weekly home blessing tour chores. So I put these in little plastic sleeves so I can use my expo marker and cross them off as I go. I think that will really help me because I hate wasting paper, and so I can just reuse this and then wipe it away at the end of the day and use it again tomorrow. So, and then I wanted to show you this. This is my weekly to-do list. Quite the glare. Here we go. And at the bottom, I even added a habit tracker, which I think will be really nice because then I can see how many days I've been doing a certain thing. And it helps me want to finish out the week. There we go. So today is Tuesday, and I've assigned myself the weekly home blessing tour today. So I work from home Tuesdays and Thursdays, which is nice because I have a little more freedom. So that's why I did the home blessing tour today, so I can just do it in the morning and get it over with. So it's already past the time that I was supposed to start this. I've been kind of busy with random things this morning. So my weekly home blessing tour list here, can you see it? Those 7 items, I believe it's 7. So the idea is I want to set an alarm for each one for 10 minutes. Hopefully they will take me less time for each. And just do a really quick whole house cleaning type deal, and I think that will help. So that's once a week, so I think that will help keep me on top of the cleaning, and it's not going to pile up and get so overwhelming. So I did zone cleaning. I've allotted 3 days for them. Yeah, I think I did. So Wednesday, yes, I work at a business, but I don't work out on Wednesdays, so that's kind of the trade-off. So on Wednesday, I have allotted zone cleaning from 3 to 4. Thursday, zone cleaning in the morning. And then Saturday, whatever I don't finish those days, I'm going to finish up on Saturday. So that's probably a work in progress. We're going to see if that even works and probably update it, because why not?